Today we're diving into Google Merchant Center and showing you how to add your products. Google Merchant Center is a powerful tool for online retailers. It allows you to upload your store's product data to Google, making it available for Google Shopping and other Google services. After setting up your account, verify and claim your website. Go to the Overview section in the Merchant Center. Here you'll need to enter your business address, phone number, confirm your online store, set up shipping, and add your sales tax information. On your product feed, you can upload product information manually or through a data feed, depending on how many products you have. Just click on Products, then click Add Products and choose whether you want to source them from your online store or add them individually. Fill in the necessary details like title, description, and images. Make sure your images are high quality and descriptions are clear and keyword-rich. Before submitting, ensure your products comply with Google Products data specifications and policies to avoid disapproval. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.